Did you know that the microwave oven, the magical kitchen gadget that cooks food super fast, was invented by accident? In 1945, a scientist named Percy Spencer was working on radar technology. One day he noticed that the chocolate in his pocket had melted. He realized that the microwaves from a special device called a magnetron had melted it. This was the beginning of the microwave oven, which was first called Radarange when it was sold in 1947. Over the years, microwaves got smaller, and in 1967, the first countertop microwave was made. Now, microwaves are found in almost every home.